Hello children, welcome back to my talks, and here I am with standard 11th biology. Okay, cell, the basic unit of life, we've already started. Okay, and now today I'm going to talk about cytoskeleton. Last class I just said that it provides motility, gives shape to the cell and all that, and today the different cytoskeletons which are present in the cell, we are going to discuss upon that. So cilia and flagella we have, and we'll also talk about the centrioles, okay, and then the chromatin, and then we are going to talk about the nucleus. Yes. So children, when we talk about cilia and flagella, okay, cilia and flagella, when we see, it has got a plasma membrane, okay, around it, and a core which is known as axonema. Axonema is the core, and when we study the section, we get this section. This is also known as 9+2 arrangement. Okay, why 9+2 arrangement? Because these are the microtubules, okay, and you can see that they are arranged in 9 pairs. The peripheral 9 pairs are present, okay, and you see the 2 central ones. Okay, so it is 9+2. So this is 9 pairs and plus 2 pairs in the center. Then you see that the outside, which are these, I said 9 pairs. Okay, so one of those pairs is attached to this central sheath. Okay, the central, as I said, 9+2 arrangement, these 2 central microfibrils, okay, they are arranged, they are attached with each other, and finally they are surrounded, half surrounded, moon surrounded, you can say, okay, by a central sheath. And when we talk about it, okay, these stand like a cycle spoke. Okay, if you see cycle ka jo wheel jo dekhte ho, something like that it is. Okay, and these are like spokes. So this is the structure which it provides to cilia and flagella. Now what is the function of cilia and flagella? Okay, they bring about movement of these organisms which possesses. Okay, cilia, normally it is covered throughout the body of the organism. Okay, and flagella maybe 2 to 3. Okay, and both of them, but the function is same. They help in changing the direction of the organism in the water. They help in locomotion. They help in the movement of the body. So that is, and here we did about the structure. So it looks thin structure, but it is made up of a structure which is like this. The arrangement is like this. The axonemal arrangement, that is 9+2 arrangement. Okay, and as it is, this is the plasma membrane. These are the peripheral microtubules. Okay, and this is the central microtubule. So this is the structure of cilia and flagella. Next, let us come to this centriole. Yes, centriole, we have triplets. This one is also microtubules. As I said, that we are going to do cytoskeleton. So what is skeleton? Normally when we talk about human beings, children, तो क्या होता है कि जो bone, जो framework, okay, that is a framework. हम हर एक का body structure अलग अलग होता है, लेकिन normally we all are made up of muscles, bones, 2 eyes, okay, hands, legs, all the other organs are the same, but the most important thing is that structural framework. So what provides the structural framework? It is the bone, the skeleton which provides. और हर एक का कोई लंबा है, छोटा है, मोटा है, whatever it is, okay, तो वो सारा कुछ उस पर डिपेंड करता है. तो यहाँ भी ये उसका skeleton है. Okay, cilia and flagella का ये जो skeleton है, ये this is what is the microtubules, the tubular fibers. These are the you can say the skeletal structures which is very, very important. And here also when we do the centrioles, okay, here also we see that they are present in triplets, and each of them, like again 9 triplets are there surrounding, and one in the center it is attached. Okay, so the center is the central hub to which all of them are attached, and the triplets are attached to the central spoke. So again just like a spoke, और उसमें अगर हमने mention किया है A, B, C, तो triplets में से जो A है that is attached to the central hub, and C of all triplets का C is attached with the A of the other one. ठीक है, तो देखो C A A C, okay, CA. So that is how they are attached, and that is how it works. Okay, just like a wheel, just like a cycle wheel or the cart wheel or whatever you say. So this is again, और ये जो A और C का जो arrangement है triplets में, this is known as AC linker. Okay, because this is how the triplets are also attached. Instead of getting attached to the hub, the central hub, they are also attached to each other. And ये जो तीन है, जो triplets है, they are known as microtubules. For your convenience, I have named ABC, ABC. Okay, so these are the spokes which attaches it, and this is the central hub. Now this is the centriole. Centriole, how do they arise? They arise from the basal body. Got it? So cilia and flagella and centriole. Next we come to nucleus. Now what is the nucleus in the cell? Very, very important, isn't it? It controls and coordinates all the activities which takes place in the cell. Okay, and when we talk about a eukaryotic cell, I hope till now you must have understood what is prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Those who are watching, write down in the comment section, let me know. Just give me two differences between prokaryotic and eukaryotic organisms. So here I come to nucleus. Now nucleus is what? Nucleus will have nucleolus, they will have a nuclear membrane surrounded by it, okay, and it will also have the chromosomes, the chromatin networks, okay, DNAs, RNAs, and it will be surrounded by two membranes, you can say double membrane structure, and this double membrane structure at certain points they will be conceived. Suppose this, and at certain points it comes to an end, then it comes like this. Okay, so these are the points through which the passage of materials into the nucleus and cytoplasm. Suppose this is the nucleolus, this is the nucleolus, okay, और यहाँ cytoplasm है, तो cytoplasm से nucleolus के अंदर, okay, nucleus के अंदर बोल सकते हैं that the materials keep passing. So these are the places where they are constricted, where the walls are constricted and the passage of materials takes place. Got it? And nucleus, it contains chromosomes and chromatin fibers, you can say, okay, that structures which takes stain, okay, and nucleoli, perinuclear space, I said double membrane structure, and in between that, in between the two membranes, the space between the two membranes, okay, that is known as perinuclear space. Okay, nucleoplasm is nucleolus के अंदर, nucleus के अंदर जो space है, that is known as nucleoplasm. Okay, and it will contains chromosome, it contains chromosomes, histones, histone is a protein, non-histones, everything it will have. Okay, and after that let us come to the different types of nucleuses or chromosomes, you can say. Okay, chromosomes is that which takes up stain, I said. So that is divided into 4 types. Okay, and here what do we have? We have a centromere, okay, and there which it is constructed. Got it, children? Okay, so you can see it over here, the oval shape. ये जो centromere है normally ऐसे रहेगा. Okay, one chromosome will have 2 chromatids, 2 chromosomes, because we have 23 pairs of chromosomes. Okay, so अगर हम एक chromosome के बारे में बोलेंगे तो 2 chromatids होंगे. So when we talk about 2 chromosomes, we'll have 4 chromatids. So that is what the 4 chromatids, and they are attached at the center with the help of centromere. And if it becomes a disc-shaped structure, it will be known as kinetochore. So this is kinetochore. And when it is in the center, यानी दोनों arms, chromatids के दोनों arms, okay, equivalent हैं, तो they will be known as metacentric. It is divided into meta, submeta, acrocentric and telocentric. So metacentric तब होगा जब वो दोनों arms उसके equal होंगे और centromere बीच में होगा. Submetacentric, slightly away from the center. The diagrams are given in your book. I'm not going to do it for you. Okay, I feel, let me see, it is page number 139, figure 8.12, NCERT textbook. Okay, so submetacentric, slightly away from the middle. Acrocentric, it is normally close to the end. एकदम end की तरफ पूरा end नहीं गया है, but suppose ये इस तरह का है. Okay, so यहाँ से हो गया है, ऐसे. Sorry, it will be something like this. Okay, so this will be again acrocentric. और telocentric एकदम terminal centromere, एकदम last में, over here it will be present. Okay, and then you can see, so this is terminal. So telocentric, that is what it says. These are the 4 different types of chromosomes based on the position of centromere. Yes, in some of the chromosomes, you have 2 constrictions. This is a primary constriction where the centromere takes place, and with the centromere, sometimes the chromosomes has a secondary constriction also, and that is completely at the top of the chromosome, and that is known as satellite. Now, satellite does not take stain. Chromosomes normally take up stain, but satellites do not take up stain. Satellite is the one which is formed at secondary constriction. Primary constriction beach wala hai, secondary constriction that which gives rise to satellite. Okay, and the other one is we also have some microbodies in the cell. Okay, and they are minute vesicle sort of structure which contains the enzymes present in the cell. Okay, and they are found both in plants and animal bodies. I feel with this I complete the chapter, children. Hope you have understood. This will help you to understand, and if not subscribed, do subscribe, because I'm going to post important questions, okay, related to the chapters in the link, and you are going to get it only if you have subscribed. Thank you all. Thank you for watching.